Dear students, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss about software review. By developing new software, software review is one of the important tasks. What is software review? Software review is systematic inspection of a software by one or more individuals who work together to find and resolve errors and defects in the software. Software review is an essential part of SDLC that helps software engineers in validating the quality, functionality, and other components of the software. So, software review is not only finding errors in the new software, it also helps the software engineers to validate the quality and functionality of the new product. And here, software review will be done by the senior developers or software experts, and it is conducting before implementation. By conducting the review before implementation will prevent the extra maintenance cost. It is the basic purpose of software review. Software review is the whole process that includes the testing the software product, and it makes sure it meets the requirements of the clients. Software review is used to verify the documents like requirements, system design, codes, test plan, and test cases. Usually, software review is performed manually, and review is conducted as meetings. The objectives of software reviews will be to improve the productivity of the development team, to make the testing process time and cost effective, to make the final software product with fewer defects. The last objective is to eliminate the inadequacies. The first objective is representing the development team will provide the good qualitative product. So it is the productivity of development team. The second objective is to make the testing process within the estimated time and estimated cost. The third one is to make the final software with fewer defects. After verifying documents, after conducting reviews, the basic objective is to produce the final software with fewer defects. The last objective is to reduce the unnecessary things in the new software. The process of software reviews will be given in the diagram. The first step is entry evaluation. The second step is management preparation. The third one is review planning. After review planning, the preparation will be there. After preparation, the last step of software review process is examination and exit evaluation. In entry evaluation, the team choosing materials and dates will be there. The second step, which is known as preparation of management, in this part, present the product, process and goals will be there. The third step is review planning. Check the product, note the issues, validate the issues is the review planning. The fourth step is preparation. To correct the defects is the preparation. The last step is exit evaluation. In this part, we can ensure the work was done correctly. So this is the process of software review. The types of software reviews are software peer review, software management review, software audit review. The peer review is the process of assessing the technical content of product. So peer review is always assessing the technical content of the product. It is usually conducted by the author of the work product along with some other developers. Peer review has following types. First one is code review, second one is pair programming, third one is walkthrough. Fourth one is formal technical review. Fifth one is inspection. So peer review is performed in order to examine or resolve the defects in software, whose quality is also checked by other members of the team. In code review, source code is examined. Pair programming is a kind of code review where two developers develop code together at the same platform. The third type is walkthrough. Members of development team is guided by author and other interested people, and the participants ask questions and make comments about defects. So it is the walkthrough. The fourth one is technical review. A team of highly qualified individuals will perform the technical review. They examines the software product for its client's use and identifies technical defects from standards. The last type of peer review is inspection. In inspection, the reviewers follow a well-defined process to find defects. The second type of software review is software management review. It is going to evaluate the work status. In this section, decisions regarding downstream activities are taken. The third type of software review is software audit review. Software audit review is a type of external review in which one or more critics will identified. The another aspect in audit review is it is not the review done by part of development team. Then the audit review organize an independent inspection of the software product and its processes to assess their compliances. Finally, the software audit review will be done by the people of managerial level. As we know, formal technical review will be done by the highly qualified individuals. Here in the inspection, here in the audit review will be done by the people of managerial level. The advantages of software review are defects can be identified earlier stage of development, especially in formal review. By identifying the defects in earlier stages, will prevent the maintenance cost of software. The second advantage is early inspection also reduces the maintenance cost of software. The third advantage is it can be used to train the technical authors. The last one is it can be used to remove process inadequacies that encourage defects. So these are the advantages of software review. What is formal technical review? Formal technical review is a software quality control activity performed by software engineers. The objectives of formal technical review: it is useful to uncover error in logic, function and implementation for any representation of the software. The purpose of formal technical review is to verify the software meets specified requirements, to ensure the software is represented according to predefined standards. So these are the objectives of the formal technical review. The basic purpose of formal technical review is to verify the software whether it meets the specified requirements. The fourth one is it helps to review the uniformity in software, that is development in a uniform manner. The fourth one is to make the project more manageable. In addition, the purpose of formal technical review is to enable junior engineer to observe the analysis, design, coding and testing approach more closely. Each formal technical review is conducted as meeting and is considered successfully only if it is properly planned, controlled and attended. The review meeting is the important one, which was conducted by the senior developers or the experienced developers. Here the people involvement will be 3 to 5. The advanced preparation should occur, but it should be very short, that is at the most 2 hours of work for every person. So minimum 2 hours will be allowable to conduct the review meetings, and they should have the advanced preparation. The next one is the short duration of the review meeting should be less than 2 hours. Use these constraints, it should be clear that an FTR focuses on specific part of overall software. At the end of the review, all attendees of formal technical review must decide what to do. So they can accept the product without any modification, reject the project due to serious error. The third one is accept the product provisionally. Minor errors are encountered and all should be corrected, but no additional review will be required. So these three things will be given by the attendees, whether they accept the product. The second one is they reject the project without accepting the product. Second one is accept the product provisionally. The decision was made with all FTR attendees completing a sign-off indicating their participation in the review and their agreement with the findings of the review team. So the decision was made by the attendees of the formal technical review by giving the sign and indicating the participation in the review meeting. Review reporting and record keeping is the another thing. During the formal technical review, reviewer actively records all the issues that have been raised. At the end of meeting, all these issues raised are consolidated and review is prepared. Finally, a formal technical review summary report is prepared. The summary report will be answers 3 questions. The first one is what was reviewed. Second one is who reviewed it. Third one is what are the findings and conclusions. So these 3 questions will be answerable by the team of formal technical review. Review guidelines. Guidelines will be given to conduct the technical review. The guidelines are review the product, not the manufacturer. The second one is take the written notes for the purpose of recording. Third one is limit the number of participants and insist upon advanced preparation. The fourth one is develop a checklist for each product. Then allocate resources and time schedule for FTRs in order to maintain time schedule. The next one is conduct meaningful training for all reviewers in order to make reviews effective. Reviews earlier reviews which serves as the base for the current review being conducted. Set an agenda and maintain it. The next one is separate the problem areas but do not attempt to solve every problem notes. The last guideline is limit debate. So these are the guidelines given by the to conduct software review meeting. Thanks for watching.